Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to unclog the drain in your shower. This video will take you through the best methods you can use to unclog the drain in your shower and eliminate the annoyance of standing in a puddle of water as you shower. So make sure you stick around for that. First, assemble the tools. Fixing a clogged shower drain requires a few hand tools such as a screwdriver, pliers, a drain claw, wire, latex gloves, baking soda, vinegar, a flashlight, and a garbage bag. Remove the drain cover using a screwdriver. Remove any visible debris and hair that is reachable with your hands while wearing a latex glove. Afterward, you can use these methods and always finish by flushing the drain with hot water to clear out any loosened residue. Use a hook. Take the wire and make a hook using pliers. Push the hooked wire down the drain before pulling it up. You can repeat this process as you collect more dirt, debris, and other clogged materials from the drain. Use the flashlight to check if the drain is clear. Use a plunger. You can also use a plunger, particularly one that is designed for unclogging showers. To use it, place the plunger cup on the shower and pour water into the shower basin to close any openings. Then push the plunger up and down to force the clogged materials down and out of the shower drain. Unclogging with vinegar and baking soda. First, pour boiling water down the drain to loosen the dirt. Then, pour 1 cup of baking soda down the drain, pour another cup of vinegar, and wait as the solution forms bubbles and foam. Allow the solution to sit for about 15 minutes before flushing it with more boiling water. Use a plumber's snake. You can clear a clogged shower drain using a plumber's snake. The plastic has hooks on its lining, and once in the drain, twist it to grab more debris and hair before removing it. You can have the process repeated until few or no clogged materials remain. Afterward, pour hot water down the drain. So there you have it. The drain in your shower can clog easily, especially with a buildup of hair, soap, and grime. Fortunately, you don't need a plumber to fix it. Just a few simple steps and household items. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.